Students, let's understand the relation between multiplication and division. Students, we all know the symbol of multiplication and division. Now here you can see that the symbols of multiplication and division. Students, multiplication means repeated addition, whereas division means repeated subtraction. Multiplication is the opposite of division, as we know that addition and subtraction are opposite to each other. In the same way, multiplication and division are opposite to each other. Multiplication means adding again and again, whereas division means subtracting again and again. Now, see here, when we multiply 5 by 2, we get 10. But when we divide 10 by 2, we get 5. So you can see that when we multiply, we get the things together or we add them. But when we divide, we separate the things or we subtract. Like we can understand this with the examples of few pictures. There are 5 balls. When we multiply these 5 balls with 2, we will get 10 balls. Now students, when we divide 10 by 2, when we divide 10 balls by 2, we get 5 balls. So here we come back where we have started. So this is multiplication division relation. Multiplication is building a wall and division is breaking a wall. So, from where we started from multiplication, we come back there with division. Students, let's understand few important terms of division. The first one is dividend. The number that is being divided is called dividend. Here 10 is the dividend and the number that divides another number is called divisor. Here 2 is divisor. The answer found by dividing one number by another is called quotient. Here 5 is the quotient. When we divide dividend by divisor, we get the answer as quotient. Here 10 is dividend, 2 is divisor and 5 is the quotient. In division, we find quotient. Quotient is the answer. But in multiplication, we find dividend. Here in multiplication, dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient. For example, here divisor is 2 and quotient is 5. 2 multiplied by 5 is equal to 10 and dividend is 10. Let's understand this with the help of an example. 24 divided by 4. Here we can understand this by reading the table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24. So here when we multiply 4 by 6, we get the answer 24. So when we divide 24 by 4, we get the answer 6. Now I hope the relation between multiplication and division is clear to you. Here multiplication means addition and division means subtraction, and we use multiplication tables for division.